What is up YouTube? Welcome back again. It's somebody technoboy, and in this video I'm gonna test this amplifier. You have seen this before. It's a 120 plus 120 watt RMS Class D amplifier, and these two are the modified mini tower speakers with one 4-inch woofer and a 3-inch woofer and one dome tweeter. So the combination is very good and they sound very crisp and clear. So they are connected to this amplifier right here today. So I'm gonna do some gaming test on this thing. So let's see how they perform. Well, in this case they are like mini tower speakers and no heavy subwoofer kind of things are there. So don't expect much bass on this thing, but good amount of bass there, and just focus on the crisp, clear sound and the balanced sound that you need while you are playing games, like good studio monitor, that kind of thing. So let's check this out.